大家好 Welcome to Mary's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
This Chinese noodle dish is called 蚂蚁上树, which translates into ants crammed in a tree. This dish was very popular in China. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. The exact amount and the brand I use are in the description box.
Let's start by soaking the noodles. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Now we cut the green onions. Cut it into thin slices. We are going to split the white part. Then cut the green onion into even parts. Now cut the garlic. We are going to mince it. Now peel the ginger. Slice it into thin strips so we can mix it. Now strain the noodles. Let's start to cook. Add the oil into hot wok. Then add garlic, ginger, and the white part of the green onions. Cook it to release the fragrance. Now add the ground pork. Now add half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili bean paste, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon dark soy sauce, 250 ml water, and half teaspoon chicken powder. When it's simmering, add the noodles in. When the noodles soak all the sauce, add the green onions in. Now finish it off by adding half teaspoon sesame oil. Remove from the heat and it's done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Big bite. So delicious. Very good. It is savory, it's a little bit spicy, and very fragrant from the chili bean paste. The noodle is very soft. It's very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。